Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. We have to learn setting up the Appwrite, how to install and configure the Appwrite for the Node.js projects. First of all, we have to create the Appwrite account. Okay, so let's create the Appwrite account. Now we have to go with our name. So I'm going to write my name, that is Rajnikant, email Magento developer 1993 @gmail.com. Okay, that's correct. And your password, I will put any kind of password over there. Okay, sign up. Organization name, that is test plan. I go with zero plan. Get started. Okay, so this is done. Now we have to create a project. Okay, project name test. Next, regions, any region you can select. Basically this is my region, but it's not selecting up. So but choose a deployment region to your project. If this region cannot be changed, but rest of the region, I think it's on the paid plan might be. So I think we should choose whatever they were giving us. Okay, the test has been created. Right. So let's open the web part. Host name, localhost, Netflix. No, you don't require it right now. Okay, now this is created. After that we have to go with our like the project ID and everything. We will get to know in the next video, but the account is created. Now we are going to fetch the rest of the informations from our Appwrite account. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.